Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 1, Web Scraping Fundamentals. In this module, we'll cover the basics of web scraping, an essential skill for gathering data from the internet. We'll delve into the following topics. 1. Introduction to web scraping. We'll start with an overview of what web scraping is and why it's valuable for collecting data from websites. 2. HTML and CSS fundamentals. Understanding the structure of web pages is crucial for effective web scraping. We'll cover the basics of HTML and CSS, including how to identify and locate the data you want to scrape within the HTML code. 3. Choosing the right tools. There are various tools and libraries available for web scraping in different programming languages. We'll discuss some popular options like Beautiful Soup for Python and how to select the best tool for your scraping project. 4. Ethical and legal considerations. Web scraping raises ethical and legal questions, particularly regarding data privacy and terms of service. We'll explore best practices for ethical scraping and how to avoid legal issues. 5. Handling dynamic content. Many modern websites use JavaScript to load content dynamically, which can pose challenges for web scrapers. We'll learn techniques for scraping dynamically generated content, such as using headless browsers or APIs. 6. Practical examples. Finally, we'll walk through some practical examples of web scraping, starting with simple static websites and gradually moving to more complex scenarios involving dynamic content and authentication.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.